Good morning. Got everything packed up onto the bike. I'm ready to descend down to the first sunny spot and warm up. I want my warm bed back. I want my shower. I really want my shower. So yeah, onward and forth. Little bridge here heading out of Crown King. I know a nice spot to camp, but I actually couldn't find a way down there anyway. I seen it's a private property, so I respected it. Yeah, this spot will work. I'm already starting to take off some of my gear in the back of my bag, so definitely warmer here. Yeah, man, you can see the road way up there. I've easily already dropped 1,000 feet. So sending out the helipad for Crown King. This is if you get injured up here, this is where you'd be flying back to Phoenix from after they brought you here. But I guess there's no good place to land a helicopter in Crown King. Yeah, I'm gonna do all my morning business here and warm up slightly. Oh man, look at that view. That is pretty. Wow. Whew. Nice. And look at that, pine trees to cactuses, all within 1 hour. Good morning. Woo-hoo! After a car passes you, you get dusted. I understand them going faster. They have 4 wheels, a little bit more stable. Yeah, I don't know. For some reason I have a major distrust for dirt. Ah, it's a nice part of the road. I think I'm coming into a town called Bumblebee, Arizona. And no, they don't make bumblebee tuna here. I think the same thing when I hear it. Yeah, it's much of nothing. Population 5, I don't know. All right, guys, I made it to noisy I-17. Took a whole entire bottle of water to do that. Actually, a bottle and a half. I forgot I used purified water to fill it up again. So yeah, I'm gonna send down that until New River. Freaking Google was trying to get me to do Black Canyon Trail. I'd love to do that someday, but right now I'm kind of beat and it's not the coolest day out. I'd prefer doing that like in the 60 Fahrenheit. So anyways, onward, downward, and forth down the dangerous highway I said I'd never ride on. Well, it's the easiest and safest route, believe it or not. Onward and forth. Oh, this is, even with the highway noise, this is so much better than the hike-a-bike I was doing for the last hour. You had to pretty much hike up to Sunset Point from the basin there. Not easy. Pushing a bike at that too. Phoenix, 50 miles. Ugh. Well, it's downhill and that is downtown. I'm looking for New River, 16 miles. Okay. And that'll head me off to more towards my house, my side of the valley. That'll work. Should be there at this speed in, I don't know, about 30 minutes. Coming down the mountain! Woo-hoo-hoo! I always wanted to do this. I'm not gonna lie, this is fun. Deadly, but fun. Just don't crash, right? Woo! Oh, this is a dream. This is the best. Nope, 1 mile. I got this. I got this. Whew. Nice. How much it is. Buying it anyways. See that one on there? Probably 250 something. Yeah.
Both areas. Not that far off. Come on.
It's too shiny.
Shiny and new. All right. She'll help you right down here. 189.
Hopefully that'll get my temperature down.
I saw you come up on your bike, right?
Yeah, I came out of Crown King this morning.
Wow.
I froze last night and now I'm like almost dying of heat exhaustion. Yeah.
Your 11 cents is right there.
Thank you very much.
The extremes of Arizona.
I can't wait to get back to my shower. I gotta cool off. I'm way overheated after coming down. What was it, 18 miles on I-17? So I got me a fruit bar here. Hopefully it's pretty good. I'm gonna cool off here, take my time. All right, onward and forth. Here it is. The city limits sign for my suburb of Phoenix. Look at this mass population. Yeah, they're planning to eventually expand the city all the way out here. It's crazy. All right, at the Arizona Canal project. Believe it or not, my state pumps the Colorado River all the way up into Lake Pleasant. Lake Pleasant isn't naturally filled, it is filled by the Colorado River. Pretty wild. All right, I finally got off the road. Thank God, the blacktop radiating back at me. Look, I was cooking. I've already emptied, well, one water bottle since New River. That was nice ice water too, but way back then. Now it's warm. But yeah, this little sub trail will then connect into New River Trail, and that should get me back to my stomping ground. Actually, this is my stomping ground. These are all just part of my training route here. Yep, I'm thinking of those fudge sickles again. It's the first thing. Well, after I say hi to my wife, but probably my dogs. But yeah, fudge sickles. I'm overheated again. Took 2 of those strawberry ones to cool me down to where I felt like riding again. Man, I felt strong for a long time until my core body heat got hot again. It seems to be my stopping point is I overheat. The black helmet was not a bright choice. I keep saying I'm going to replace it, and I never do. A ton more trees along the path here. It's nice, the ones they do have. How's it going? Oh, I had the ear pods in. Ah, there's my main road. All right, I made it back. Got the bike in the house. I'm gonna unpack it now. I'll probably unpack it tomorrow. I'm not feeling really motivated to do much of anything that requires any kind of work. Yeah, I am pooped. Thanks for watching along. I'm gonna get a couple fudge sickles, and then I'm just gonna fall over dead. Try to have a good day.